What's up, guys? So I finally just got home. I got my truck and trailer with me. I'm about to head on over to the Vtuned Garage. I want to say thank you guys for tuning in to the BrosAuto channel, watching all the videos. Another thing is, I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna go check out, make sure the paint job is done all nice and right. But first, what I'm about to do is get some coffee, and I'm gonna catch you guys at the Vtuned Garage. Oh, check it out. Kitty cat's looking pretty good. Shoot, yeah. Hellcat. I finally got it loaded up on the trailer. I got it prepped for the paint job. I'm going to the Vtuned Garage. Once I get there, I'm actually gonna get this car unloaded, maybe do a quick walk around, let you check it out, see what it looks like right now. And what's up, Vtuned? What you doing, buddy?
Right here, bro. I'm about to buff this car out.
Buff it out, come on, show me that skill.
Vtuned polishing paste.
Dang. Why don't you get in there, show them just like crawl inside there, just yeah.
Like in here?
Yeah, just right there, just like chill. Yeah, look.
Sunshade right here.
Easy. Easy fix.
Walking out the sun.
Dang, dude, that's nuts, man. I would hate to be that guy. Let's get it from this angle. Woo. What do you think, Nate? Dang, dude. That's what's up. So lad, what do you think? What do you think about this paint job?
Is this that Kia Trico?
No, it's actually the original Dodge.
Dang.
Red Pearl.
You're lucky, bro. That's going to be.
Come on.
Don't even bother hooking down the hood.
Wow. Has it got the latch on there?
Yeah.
About to come down. Hey, you gonna put your foot over there? Get the handbrake. You don't want that thing rolling forward. We good, bro? What's up? Got this baby all loaded up, ready to go. Drop that engine in. Paint job looking fresh. And it looks weird. It looks like, look, it looks orange.
Yeah, my car looks red on the picture.
That's weird. It's good. What you think, Ben? You gonna drop that engine? You gonna let it rip?
Rip, change the tip.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Hellcat build. So I finally got this car back from the Vtuned Garage, and I'm so excited right now because this engine is about to get put back into there. But before that, there's a few things I gotta address, like the motor mounts. I gotta install those first, and the transmission mount. There's a few more pulleys that I gotta replace on that engine because they got bent during the accident. So alright, now let's get back to work. So I'm gonna go through every single wire. Oh dang, look at all those wires. I wonder why I couldn't get the car started. Alright guys, so I'm back the following morning. As you can see, it's a big huge mess. Got this wire harness all nice and looking OEM. Button up all this wiring harness, connect it all back onto the engine, and go ahead and start mounting up, turning this engine around so I can get this sucker into that car. So excited. As you can see, the engine is finally back in the car. There's a few more things. I have to hook up all the electrical, the wiring harness, the chassis of the car. There's some more coolant lines that I gotta plumb in, and I have to install the actual dash and plug up all the wiring harness there as well so I can get that key fob and try to get this thing cranked tonight. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna try. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get back to work and I'll see if I can maybe get this thing fired up. Alright guys, unfortunately I was not able to get this car started tonight because the key was not programmed, and that's a minor issue. Everything else I got connected, I got the dash in, I got all the wires all connected up. So the next thing I have to do is I'm gonna call the key guy to come out and get this key programmed, and we'll try again. Thank you again for watching this video, and if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks again guys, till next time.